Hello everyone, welcome to my channel BCB Lady. Today's recipe is Malabar evening snack bread pola or stuffed bread. Before going into the video, please subscribe, share, like and support my channel. The ingredients are half kg boneless chicken. I have boiled the chicken by adding turmeric powder, some salt and ginger garlic paste and then shredded into pieces. Then I've taken 2 large onions, chopped, 3 to 4 green chilies, few chopped curry leaves, and 1 small capsicum finely chopped, few coriander leaves chopped, 1 small tomato, it's completely optional, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon pepper powder and garam masala, half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon chili powder and salt as required. Now heat some oil in a pan. I've added 3 teaspoons of oil and adding chopped curry leaves, chopped green chilies, saute well. And now I'm adding chopped onions and some salt. Saute well, need not be golden brown, just the raw smell has to go. Now I'm adding half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute well again. Now adding turmeric and red chili powder. Then goes in half teaspoon garam masala and pepper powder. Mix it well. And now I'm adding 1 small tomato, which is completely optional. You can also skip that. And now I'm adding chopped capsicum. And then finally shredded chicken. After everything is mixed well, I'm adding chopped coriander leaves and I'm now switching off the flame. The masala stuffing is ready. Now for making the bread pola, I have taken bread slices cut into square shapes, then 6 eggs, then I have taken half cup of milk, half teaspoon pepper powder, turmeric powder and some salt. I'm beating all the eggs by adding milk and the powders. Now in a non-stick tawa or a vessel, I'm adding some oil and then pouring a few spoons of egg mixture. Then I'm dipping the sliced bread in the egg and then placing it in the tawa. This serves as a base for our bread pola. Place the bread and fill the gaps. The number of bread depends on the size of the pan you're taking. Here and there I have found some gaps, so I'm just cutting again the bread into smaller size and filling the gaps. Now the base is ready. Now I'm keeping some stuffing inside the base. Fill the base with enough of stuffing. Then I'm pouring few spoons of egg mixture on top of the base and the stuffing. Then again I'm covering the base with some bread slices. The same way, dip the bread in the egg and then place it above. Again I'm adding some more filling and then covering the base. Repeat this step one more time until you have the filling left over. Cover the filling using dipped bread slices. Do not leave any gap. Fill it with bread and cover the top. Then I'm pouring the remaining egg batter. This makes a binding for the bread pola. Now cover this using a tight lid and place it on top of an iron pan. I'm just checking if it's done. The sides have to leave the vessel completely. It took 25 minutes for me and now I'm placing a pan on top of it and turning the bread pola upside. The other side has to cook well. This takes hardly 5 to 10 minutes. I have covered the lid and kept in slow flame. Now our yummy bread pola is ready. Isn't it so simple? Do try it out and comment your feedback. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like and support my channel. Bye.